So I'm here in the Allegheny Mountains. This is the Clear Creek State Forest, and it's the Kennerdell Tract. There's a stream that runs down here. It's mid-October. The leaves are changing. It's about 70 degrees. And it's just beautiful.